Hey there, are you looking for ways to make your coffee or tea a little bit healthier in the morning while still making it a really delicious and enjoyable experience? I've been searching for that very thing for the last couple months, and I came up with a recipe for a chocolate chai tea if you like to drink tea, or a chocolate mocha if you like coffee. And it's keto friendly, it's low carb, it has no added sugar, and it's also delicious. So I'm excited to share this with you today. This recipe works great if you're doing intermittent fasting. I've been doing intermittent fasting and trying not to eat until about 12 or 1 each day, and I still like to have this drink in the morning. I've actually been wearing a glucose monitor to see how my blood sugars are impacted by the different foods I eat. For me personally, I have this drink in the morning, and after an hour and a half, my blood sugar levels really haven't changed. You will need MCT oil, cocoa powder, half and half, and chai tea or maybe just coffee. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to your cup. Add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil to your cup. Now add a small amount of hot water or hot coffee. I add only a small amount at this point because I use an electric whisk to mix it up really well. I love this little whisk, but if you add too much liquid at the beginning, it will splash over the edge. Now you can add in your tea bag if you're using a chai tea, and add the rest of your hot water, or add the rest of your coffee if you're making this a coffee. Top it off with some half and half. You could also add this earlier and whisk it up if you like your coffee or tea to be really frothy. And your delicious and healthy chocolate chai tea or chocolate chai coffee is ready to go. Thanks for watching to the end. Here's a recipe card that you can take a screenshot of to keep this. And if you're looking for a great way to keep your recipes organized, I have a great method I'd love to share with you. Check out this other video.